tracks here on a very wet and rainy day. Today I'm coming to you live from in between Hamilton and Burlington, Ontario, near Royal Botanical Gardens. I'm hoping to see some trains today, so stay tuned. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more content. Enjoy!
From the train. Padre. From the train. Padre. From the train. Padre.
Wow, that was sure an exciting time. Got to see one GO, one freight, and one VIA. Wasn't expecting all of them, but you know, as long as you get to get out here and see at least one train today, then it's all good. So if you want to see more content, make sure to like, subscribe to the video, and until then, this is New Track signing off. Have a great day, everyone.